Welcome to SSB Talks. In this video, we will understand the complete 5-day services selection board selection process, from the moment candidates report at the center till the final conference. The journey begins with reporting day. Candidates reach the SSB center as per their call letter, often after long journeys filled with excitement and nervousness. After arrival, documents such as identity proof, educational certificates, photographs, and other required papers are verified. Once documentation is complete, candidates are allotted their accommodation and given time to rest and settle in. There is no testing on this day, but it plays an important role in helping candidates prepare mentally for the days ahead. The next day marks the start of formal testing. Candidates first appear for the Officer Intelligence Rating Test, which assesses basic reasoning and mental ability. This is followed by the Picture Perception and Discussion Test. In this test, a picture is shown briefly, after which candidates write a story based on their perception. Later, they participate in a group discussion where each candidate presents their story and the group attempts to arrive at a common conclusion. Based on performance in these tests, candidates are either screened in for further assessment or screened out and asked to return. Those who are screened in move on to psychological testing. During this phase, candidates appear for multiple written tests designed to assess personality and thought process. These include writing stories based on pictures, responding to words as they appear on screen, reacting to real-life situations, and writing a self-description. These tests aim to understand how a candidate thinks, reacts, and views themselves. It is also important to note that the personal interview can be conducted anytime during this phase, from the second day to the fourth day, depending on the schedule of the interviewing officer. Following this, candidates enter the group testing officer phase. This stage focuses on group activities and outdoor tasks. Candidates participate in group discussions, planning exercises based on a given problem, and obstacle-based group tasks that require cooperation and coordination. Activities such as progressive group tasks and half-group tasks test teamwork, communication, and problem-solving abilities. The day usually ends with the snake race, a competitive team activity that highlights group spirit, aggression, and unity. The next day continues with more GTO activities. Candidates attempt individual obstacles that test physical fitness, courage, and determination. This is followed by the command task, where one candidate is given the responsibility to lead a small team and complete an obstacle-based task. Later, candidates take part in the Lecturette, where they are required to speak on a given topic after a short preparation time. The GTO phase concludes with the final group task, which is similar to earlier group tasks, and serves as a closing observation of group behavior. The final day is the conference. All assessors who have observed the candidate over the previous days come together to discuss overall performance. Each candidate is called in for a brief interaction with the board. This interaction is not a traditional interview, but rather a confirmation of the impressions already formed. After the conference, candidates are either recommended for the next stage, which is the medical examination, or not recommended and asked to depart. This completes the entire SSB selection process. SSB is not about performing perfectly on one day. It is about being observed consistently over 5 days. Preparation, honesty, and self-awareness play a crucial role throughout the journey.